these beans. These are super duper yummy. The first thing we'll want to do is chop up either a very large onion or 2 smallish to medium onions. You need onion goggles, just because they make me look awesome. Do they make me look awesome?
No.
No, it's harsh. Seriously, I don't know how people can chop onions without onion goggles. You don't want it in tiny little, it's sort of up to you. You can either cut it in strips. I like to just sort of cut it in half and then in strips like that, so you sort of, you know, little bits like that, and they'll just break up in the frying pan. Right, I can now de-goggle. Oh, yeah, I can see. Okay, so the other thing you'll want is some meat to go in this. Now bacon, it goes absolutely beautifully with this. When we had some home-killed bacon, this is just gorgeous. But also, if you've got like some spicy crusty-like sausages, they go really nice in as well. Or, but what's this stuff called? Salami. I've just got some shaved ham here, which is still really good. I'm guessing I've got maybe about $1 worth of ham. So I'm just going to chop that up and put that in the pan with the onions. I've only got one helper today. The girls are in the other room fighting, so sorry, am I meant to be keeping up appearances? They're playing delightfully together in the other room. So just give that a bit of a cook up together until the onions just start going soft a bit, just for a couple of minutes. And we just want to turn the heat down a little bit. So I've just got some of the stuff, Mrs. Rogers' paprika. I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of paprika. Now, I'll just do this because it's a hot pan. Now, you can add, you don't have to add that much if you don't want to, but I am just a big fan of paprika. It's just so yummy and it just smells so nice and smoky and bacony. Just want to give that a little bit of a stir up. Now to this we want to add 2 cans of cannellini beans. You want to do that one, do you? This is just the Pam stuff. I got these for $1.19 each from Pack and Save on special the other day. That's what inspired me. I thought I haven't done these beans for ages and they're so yummy. And we want to drain them. Tell me, Aston, did you just take your socks off and put them on the bench? Yeah. Oh, the socks are on the bench.
Come on, put it in.
So you dip it into there so the liquid drains out. Now, I tend to just keep the liquid I drain out in a container, just in case I decide I need a little bit more liquid in the mixture. That's quite good just to use like that briny stuff that they come in. Let's put the heat back on there. Those in the pan. And some on the bench. Fine. Should be right. Right, so give that all a mix up. So then we want some, I've just got some Value brand chopped tomatoes and juice.
I want to do that.
Careful, don't spill that. Are you going to put the tomatoes in, Sam? The helper has come to tip in tomatoes. now the next thing you want to add to this, ideally, if you have them, you want some nice fresh basil leaves, a nice big handful of fresh basil leaves. I don't have basil leaves at the moment, so I'm just going to put about 2 teaspoons of dried basil in there, and also, because I like to see a bit of greenery in there, I'm going to put a little bit of silverbeet. But you know, the basil will do for the greenery, or a little bit of spinach as well works really nice in here. Put 2 teaspoons of basil in. Careful, but you're doing it over the top. That's it. Good job. Oh, in the pot. I've just got a few leaves of silverbeet there, so I'm just going to use that as my bit of greenery, bit of token greenery.
Cup of water.
No, it's not, it's an empty cup.
A cup of water.
Ah, you would like a cup of water, please, Mummy dearest. Good. So I'm just going to tip a little bit of that briny stuff that was in with the beans in there, just to add to the liquid a little bit. I'm going to tip all of it in, but just so it doesn't get too dry. I only ended up putting half of that silverbeet in, it looked about right. Aston's just shooting rabbits out the window. So I'm just going to give that a big mix up. Can we shoot a bit quieter, please? I'm just going to put a lid on that, just turn it down to a bit of a simmer, and just let that simmer away for about 10 minutes. And as I say, you can add a bit more of that brine that was in with the cannellini beans if you think it needs a bit more juicy stuff in with it. But you can also chop up and add some more fresh tomatoes in there if you think it needs tomatoing up. You know, do what you've got to do. Don't let me tell you what to do. You do what you've got to do. Now also, I should add as well, a few shakes of Tabasco sauce. It's actually really nice in here as well. So, put a lid on, let that simmer for 10 minutes, and I'll show you how we dish it up. So, lovely loaf of bread that I made today. Refer to my bread making video. This is the best stuff to have with it, either on the toast, like me and Clint like, or the kids just like to have their toast next to the beans. Now, that bean mixture that I made comes to a total of $5.63. Give or take, depending on the amount of greenery and stuff you put in. I just sort of estimated that it'd be about 50 cents worth. It might be a bit more or less, I don't know, but about $5.63 to feed 5 people. That ain't bad. Now, taking the bread into account, it cost me about 90 cents to make a loaf of bread, which equates to about 5 cents per piece. So that's not adding a great deal to that amount. I would not dare to give you a crust.
Or the one
I would not
instead of
commit
crust.
such a
Or
heinous
the one
crime.
instead of crust.
You'll get what you're given.
I want the 2 most in the ones.
Because that's slice.
Yep. I'll go for this.
Right, so I'm just going to lightly toast these. And then it's going to be
Nice,
yummy. Put it down. Have a look at that.